You're probably wondering how we got here, and I'd be lying to you if I told you this was all part of my well-designed, forecasted plan. Truth is, sometimes life just gives you exactly what you need, even if it's something you never could have planned. You see, it's one thing to have a company with products. It's another reality entirely to lead a company with vision. And so we find ourselves in the beautiful landscape of Colorado. But this time, the objective is simple: build yet another class-leading outdoor range that we are proud to put the TA stamp of approval on. A benchmark, if you will. The standard all others will be measured against. Is that a chip on our shoulder? Nah, that's just a calling.
Hostages, grounders, the rifle dueling piece.
Because knowing a purpose and executing upon it are two very different things. You know, something about talk being cheap and whatnot. So what is a vision? You know, it's funny in the English language how we take complex ideas and boil them down into simple words that we regularly take for granted. It lowers the weight of what we speak. It's easy to say, but harder to grasp. When you operate with vision, you execute differently. The cost isn't your time, money, and sacrifice. That's part of your reward. You earn another page in your bigger story. You flip that page from what was, and you start to read what can be. Better yet, you bring others along into that story with you.
So obviously we have the 100-yard berm here. That big grass patch is 800 yards. This sage patch over here is 7. The bottom of that berm out there in the distance, where it turns into from dirt back to sage, that's our property line, and that's 1,100, 1,200 depending on your angle.
Setting some of those gong targets up there.
And then we have this goalie here that gives us a 500, and then just over my flatbed in line with the berm, that goalie is 400.
Okay.
On the angle, once we're at that second story, we'll have some 300, 200-yard stuff down in that ravine.
Yeah.
That will get set probably after the building is built, because there's no real, we would just be guessing right now.
Yep.
Collaboration is the fuel of builders, and due to the vast layout of this property, a strong game plan was needed. Through the early process, we worked with the owner to formulate a battle plan.
I want to get all your ideas. Stuff occurs to you, dude.
Yeah.
You tell us.
Speaking of that, this is Dave. He's an awesome dude. Anyway, just figured you should know that. This isn't your ordinary flat range. This is an oasis of potential. This collaboration began before a single dollar was spent. Range Bravo exists for two primary purposes: provide a quality flat range for defensive fundamental training and the ability to shoot precision rifles out to 1,200 yards. Knowing that objective, the only option was our Exodus line of AR-550 steel target systems. Each system chosen was purpose selected to offer the highest performance available. This is an investment, not a flash in the pan. When your mindset shifts to value, your concern becomes, am I buying the best product for my property?
This all the way over.
Easy racks were chosen to add versatility to the training. The fully armored system is robust, features 6 8-inch targets, self-healing straps, and fully armored legs and crossbars. No 2x4s to be found in this build. The rest of the flat range at Bravo is filled with our C-Zone, reduced C-Zone, and our rifle-rated dueling tree for maximum training potential. If you're thinking this range is epic, I need to tell you, this was only the first range built out on the property. Yeah, we're just getting started. Range Alpha is slightly different. This is a smaller range deeper into the property. While on the surface it might look similar to Bravo, the use case is different and more specialized. It required more clearing and adjustment of the landscape than Bravo range. Much of the vegetation was in the way of secondary shooting paths up the mountain. On the flat range, we started off the build with our C-Zone and reduced C-Zone ADAP systems, our Gen 3 20-inch round bases, paper holders, armored posts, grounder targets, and our rifle dueling tree. Oh, and of course, another easy rack. Further, you'll find more grounder 550 targets on this range than anywhere else on the property. This is a turnkey range. Show up, load mags, and execute. Nothing will get in the way of the owner's path to becoming a capable provider and protector. Except for that tree. Yep, that's gotta go.
So given that, I think we just use this area right up there. You that clearing?
Yeah, there's a clearing, a small clearing.
Yeah, that's 142, the base of that tree. 146. Yeah, that's right. That's good.
Okay, it's time to be real with you. We are sea level dwellers. Hiking targets on our backs into the Colorado mountains was exhausting, but the dream of this property propelled us forward. Your energy and time are your most precious resource. The actions you take must matter. They must align with your broader vision.
When that hits, I want about a foot or two in front of it, because that's how that's, when we shoot at night, you can kind of see like where that's spreading.
The Grounder 550 targets in this application made the dream a reality. Our Grounder 550 targets are a compact, easy to transport system that is stable even on sloping terrain. Grounders were spread throughout the mountain to provide targets that are difficult to locate, pushing not only the skill of shooting, but the skill of compromised shooting positions. Where most targets might fail, the Grounders excel. No wood posts, no complex assemblies. A simple, elegant, and robust solution. Shooting on a flat range is great, but we all get to a point where we realize that we want to push our skill set even further. Alpha exists to make that vision a reality. Flat range capability with mid-range opportunities. A mix of both worlds grouped together in an efficient training layout.
But then there's a pretty deep crossing here, so I think we'll park the truck here and bring the side-by-side up and then kind of run stuff down.
Yeah, that's fine.
And now we find ourselves in what we felt was the most exciting part of this build, the long-range portion of the property. The beautiful private ranch affords perfect precision shooting opportunities out to 1,200 yards. Several Goliath 50 BMG targets were spread out across the various distances of the property. The Goliath rings loud and is rated for big bore cartridges. Our Gen 2 deluxe gong systems were the perfect choice to add various shooting arrays on a terrain that is, let's just say, varying. Fully adjustable, fully adaptable to every style of precision shooting. We built out several Know Your Limit style racks and several with 18x18 and 12-inch circle gongs. The deluxe gong systems are fully armored just like the Easy racks. Maintenance, never heard of her. When precision targets that won't quit are the objective, these systems deliver. The hardest part for the owner, deciding what targets to shoot. Yeah, we know it's rough out here. There was a light bulb moment in my life where I realized I had what it takes. Life is a journey of refinement and growth. Unlocking the belief in yourself is the key to realizing the potential you hold inside your soul. We all start in the same way. The difference is, what will we do with the life we were given? Range builds like this connect the dots of our vision and bring that vision to reality. They build relationships and community. They connect us to you.
Where are you shooting?
I was gonna do the Know Your Limits rack.
Like the in front of us?
Yeah.
All right, then I'm gonna go to the guy up above.
Okay.
You might be sitting here thinking, there is no way I could build a range like this. I'm here to tell you, 10 years ago, I would have never expected to be doing what we're doing today. Isn't that the entire point? We believe in the vision so much that the vision becomes reality. We put in place the movements that drive us toward what we hold and believe in so much. The formula is very easy to understand. TA Targets exist to inspire individuals to become capable providers and protectors. Achieving that vision requires us to rewire what people think of ranges in general. The old way of doing ranges leads to mediocrity, suffering, and pain. The new way is focusing forward first with vision, then execution. When we travel the country building ranges like this, we set a new standard, one that all ranges should be and will be measured against. This isn't about building ranges. This is about a vision so large that we cannot help but chase it with everything we have inside us.
This turned out pretty good though, right?
Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Yeah, you did it right.
10 years ago, TA Targets was started, and it had a humble beginning with an objective of just creating the best steel target systems on the market. And I think it's really cool as the owner of the company to look back on the last 10 years and think about how much has changed. You know, just think of yourself in general. Think of us as people. We change every single year, and sometimes those are incremental changes that happen over time. You might not notice it in the moment, but as you grow, as you develop, as you get older, as you gain wisdom, you change. And the same thing is true with a company. A company that is founded in 2015 is gonna look very different in 2026. And the reason I'm talking about this and the reason I'm so passionate about what we do here at TA Targets is because of that story. You know, when I think back 3 or 4 years ago, people were not consulting us to build their range. They weren't calling me and saying, how do I lay out berms like this? What's the best setup? How do I maximize the land and the use of the land that I own? That just wasn't happening. And that's a normal trajectory. You start something and you don't have the skill set to be able to pour into people the way that you want to. And when I go back to that beginning, that humble beginning, the story, the origin of TA Targets, and I think about the fact that the only thing I was focused on was making the best product. I missed something. There was a piece of that puzzle that was missing. And that's not a bad thing. It's not a stab at us as a team or as owners or anything. It's just a reality. We started with a simple objective. But as we started to see that our targets changed lives, and I know that some folks look at that and they're like, how the heck do steel targets change lives? They do, in a functional and a tangible and a real way. They change lives because we save people money, we save people time, we give them a tool that allows them to become that capable provider and protector. That's how these targets change lives. But as we started seeing that, we had light bulb moments. And my objective as the owner of the company is to sit here and say, how can our team help people even more? What are we missing? What ingredient of this equation of TA Targets are we missing? And the range installs were a huge, huge, huge part that we had overlooked for so many years. And that's why we've created so many videos about this, why we've traveled the country. We've been on hundreds of ranges over the last 10 years. And all of that knowledge, all the mistakes that I've seen, it doesn't make me an expert. I'm never gonna stand here and say, hey, me, Jared, I'm the guy you gotta come to for all things range. Here's the deal, if I don't know something, I'm gonna tell you I don't know it. But I've got an excellent team behind me, very creative individuals. We can solve problems. That's what makes me so excited about these ranges. And I know a lot of folks look at it as a math equation in a business and they're like, hey, no, you're just selling a service. It's just another way to build revenue in your business. And that is true. Like, it is another way for us to expand our business, which allows us to reinvest in the business and then further expand our capabilities over time, which helps all of you. But it's not about that. This is about so much more than just making money and making steel targets. And that objective at the beginning, it's still there. Make the best target systems, period. The vision of the company is to inspire individuals to become capable providers and protectors. Part of that is a commitment to an excellent product. I can't achieve that vision if I make a crappy product with what I believe is a curse word called planned obsolescence. I don't believe in that when you're making an American product and you care deeply about people. When those two things go together, you have to finish off that equation in the right way. This is about so much more than making money and just making a product. And that's my favorite part of these range builds. I told you that story of the origin. The question is, where are we headed? So the coolest part about building a private range or a commercial range for a client is the relationships that are built. I have run into the best people by building their range for them. Just very honest, genuine, humble, very caring people. People that really, truly understand what firearms are about, why we own them, why we're training with them. And they are on that pursuit of becoming a capable provider and protector. So it's not about money. It's not about building another range. It's not about doing X amount of ranges per year. It's about our team caring so much about people that we're gonna throw our hat in the ring and help you build something incredible on your property. And through that, every single time, I have made very strong friendships with all of our clients. It just builds that community that all of us are so hungry for. And that, to me, is the most important aspect of building ranges across the country. And that's why I'm gonna ask you, if you are interested in building a range, email us at info@tatargets.com. Our team's gonna kick that over to me. I basically spearhead all the conversations around the range installs, the schedule, and everything that we have going out into the future. I wanna talk to you. I don't care if you have 5 systems or 500 systems. I wanna talk to you. I'm gonna help you answer your questions. I'm gonna make sure that you pick systems that serve your end objective. That's the core part of me working with you. That's the most important part, I should say, is that I can tell from your story and what your objective is, what system is going to complement that journey perfectly. And I wanna talk to you. So that info, we're gonna drop it down in the description. I'm honored to work with our clients across the country to build these ranges, and I am very excited to be talking to you.